Hello beautiful people, welcome again to Terry's Kitchen. So on today's recipe I'm going to show you on how to make biryani, beef biryani. So kindly watch the video to the end so that you won't miss any step. So in a pan or in a pot you'll add enough oil. So you're going to heat the oil, then you're going to add in red onion. I've used 3 red onions. You're going to fry that until they turn golden brown. Make sure your onions are golden brown as shown. Then you're going to add in some beef. I've used a half kg of beef. You're going to give that a mix. After that, you're going to add in 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 large chopped tomato, and you're going to add 1 tablespoon of pilau masala. Then you're going to give that a mix so that the pilau masala and the tomatoes can blend well with the beef. Then you'll add some salt to taste, and then you're going to add enough water for boiling so that the meat can cook until it is tender. You'll then cover the pot and let the meat cook until tender, and also the water start to dries up as shown. Then you're going to give that a mix to see if the meat is well cooked. When the meat is well cooked, you're going to add in a half cup of plain yogurt. I've used plain yogurt, but you can also use buttermilk or milk if you have. Then you're going to give that a mix. You're going to give that a stir, then you're going to cover the pot and let that cook under medium heat until the biryani stew start to thicken. So the biryani stew should be as shown, and as you can see, it's ready for the biryani rice. So you're going to remove from the heat and set that aside. Now you're going to cook the biryani rice. So you're going to heat some oil, then you're going to add in some pilau spices and 1 bay leaf. You're going to give that a stir for about 1 minute. Then you're going to add in our rice. I've used 1 cup of basmati rice. You'll then add enough water for boiling the rice. Then I'm going to add in some salt to taste. Give that a stir and let the rice boil until it is half cooked. So the rice should be as shown. As you can see, mine it is half cooked. So you're going to remove from the heat. In a separate pot, you're going to do as shown in the video. You're going to add the half cooked rice in the pot and spread it evenly as shown. Then after that, you're going to add in our biryani stew. You're going to pour the biryani stew on the rice as shown. You then spread it well on the rice. Then you're going to add the rest of the rice on top of it as shown in the video. After that, you're going to mix food color with water and pour it on the biryani. I've used yellow food color. You're going to cover the pot and let cook under low heat until the rice is well cooked. When the rice is well cooked, you're going to garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. Then your rice will be ready to be served. So as you can see, mine has turned out well and the colors are popping. I hope you'll try this biryani recipe, and being my first time trying this type of biryani, I'm really happy with the results. So you're going to plate it up so you'll serve your biryani and ready to be eaten. Thank you so much for watching this recipe, and I'm sure you'll give it a try. Don't forget to give me a like, comment and share with others so that they can learn it too. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Hello Beautiful people, happy new year. Welcome again to Terry's Kitchen. So on today's recipe, I'm going to show you on how to make biryani, beef biryani. You start by deep frying some onions. For this recipe, I've used large 5 onions. So you're going to slice them, then deep fry them in a hot oil until they turn golden brown as shown in the video. So be keen so that they won't get burnt. After that, you're going to remove them and set them aside. Using the same oil you have used to fry the onions, you're going to deep fry some potatoes. I've used large 6 potatoes. Then you're going to deep fry them until they are crispy on outside or until they are half cooked. Then after that, you're going to remove them and set them aside. And also, I forgot to tell you that you can coat the potatoes with food color, yellow food color, or you can coat them with paprikas. For me, I coated them with paprika powder. So you're going to remove them and set them aside. In a pot, you're going to add a mixture of blended tomato and capsicum. I've used 2 large tomatoes and 1 capsicum. Then you're going to add a half kg of beef, which I've already boiled. After that, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of grounded spices. Then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of paprika powder and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. You'll then give it a mix until the spices and the tomato mixtures are well combined. Then I'm going to let it simmer for about 10 minutes until the stew is thick. When the stew is thick, you're going to add some salt to taste. Then you're going to add 1 cup of plain yogurt, or you can use buttermilk instead. Then you're going to give it a mix until the stew and the plain yogurt is well combined. After giving it a good mix, you're going to add your deep fried potatoes and deep fried onions. Then you're going to add a large spoon of cooking oil. Then you're going to give that a mix until everything is well combined. You'll then add 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Then you're going to give it a mix so that it will be well combined with the stew. After that, you're going to add some beef broth. So you're going to give it a mix and let this biryani stew cook until it is well cooked. Your biryani stew should be thick as shown in the video. So you're going to remove from the heat and set it aside so that you can start making the biryani rice. In a clean pot, you're going to add some 3 cups of basmati rice. After that, you're going to add 6 cups of water. So the ratio is 3 to 6. Then you're going to add some whole spices, 1 tablespoon of whole spices. Then you're going to add some salt to taste. and then you're going to add 1 large spoon of cooking oil. We'll use the cooking oil that we fried the onions. Then you're going to add 1 bay leaf, give it a stir, and let the rice cook until the water evaporates. So when the water evaporates from the rice, it will be as shown. So you're going to cover it and cook until it is well cooked. You'll then check if the rice is well cooked and the water has evaporated completely. Then you're going to mix your food color. I've used yellow food color and the red one. So you're going to pour your food color on the rice as shown in the video. After that, you're going to cover your pot with the aluminium foil. Then you're going to let it for about 20 minutes before opening it. After 20 minutes, you're going to open your rice and start mixing it with a fork. As you can see, the colors are popping and our biryani rice looks so delicious, ready to be served with the biryani stew. After that, we're going to serve our biryani rice. As you can see, our biryani turned out so well and it looks so delicious. Guys, if you have any recipe you want me to do, kindly let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to do it for you. So you'll serve your biryani ready to be eaten, and you can take this with a cold glass of juice. Guys, if you try this recipe, kindly let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to give me a like, comment and share with others so that they can learn this recipe too. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Until next time, bye. I wish you all a blessed day ahead.